This is wildwood. But if this price, we can make it from our plantation. Why should we hunt it from the forest? Because one tree, when you cut down, you get only a few hundred grams from the forest. But we can make it up to 10 kilo per tree. Yeah, could be. Why would we hunt it from the forest, right? To be good quality must be this. But it takes time. This will take about 10 to 20 years to be this quality. But it's still it.
Grabe, sulit kayo din na. No, naabot ko din ma'am, no? Wala na tanig yun.
Very good. So, mayroon pang-apat na checkpoints, Mayor. Okay. Perting humota daw, Mayor. Mahimong upat na checkpoint.
Tatay, say hi. Say hi, tatay.
Trader price mo.
Oh, say hi, tatay. Nag-pricing na sila. Pricing is real. Gold siya, guys. Anong kuan man? Presyo mo siya kuan niya.
Tatanim ka ng ginto. 1,000.
Amo, abot na rin yung baho eh. Abot na rin. Muna yung quality niya, no? Kanayang kahumot.
Kana o, dati yung kilo, $1,200 kilo niya, 16 kilograms.
Million.
Almost 2 million.
Yan kay natural grown man, natural man yung pagpatubo.
Sa 20 years.
Okay. Mo ginakatanggi pang simhot ni ma'am na to no, dalo kay kasangatan di mi tagaan. Naami silingan nga ni gikan abroad ba. Then kita man gud siya sa balay nga nayon. So na di mo inani. Sa Saudi baligya biyan yang mga scratch lang ba sa kuan pa sa to sapal. Sulod sa gagmay nga sinanan, murag incense nila din. Nakadala man siya gitagaan mi niya dalo kay sa oy di siya hatag. Kay ibutang man siya sa kanang baga din. Butangan di mo gamay. Humot na kayo. Makuan.
Wala ilahin yung mga sinusunod.
Oh, kay isog man siya kayo. Niya dala tambal kay therapeutic man siya.
Walang sila mga anak-anak.
Kay tambal man.
Kawala sa anxiety.
Muna magpaaso sila no.
Kaya kibali mga ilahang happy pill.
So ang mga kuan
Mayor, nanay presyo, Mayor. Ano mo gihuwat?
Don't run away from me. This is gonna be $2,000 per kilo.
wow!
$2,000 per kilo.
Alaw eh nga sana oh.
$2,000 per kilo.
Wow, yeah, 16, 32.
Very tiny piece.
Times 16.
Very tiny. Only this can be. If a hunter sent like this to me, if I were a buyer, I would buy a whole pie at $800 per kilo. First, because it's wet. Second, it mixed. The third is not clean. It still have some white wood. So if I were a trader, I would buy a whole pie at $800 per kilo only. So just now what he mentioned about the price, how much? He mentioned first time.
Magkano binibenta nyo daw?
60,000
60,000.
60?
60,000
60,000 pesos?
pesos.
Only.
No, impossible.
Plus 1,000.
If the buyer buy, they wouldn't buy like this. The buyer, they come, they buy, must be very clean, dry, completely dry.
Species Malasenses.
If this condition, they wouldn't buy because it's wet, dirty, and mixed grain. This one is very cheap. So this $600.